is a very responsible mechanic expert. Whenever I have car issue, I will give him a call, and he will always drive down from where he is to where I stay in the central of Jakarta. So I am very thankful for his service, and most of all, I find him very honest, very funny, and he doesn't, he will just tell you straight what is the problem. He does not tell you other complications, unlike other workshop. So you can rely on him to give you the best advice. If your brake is still okay, he will not tell you to change it. He will just tell you how to maintain it and how to make sure it can last the distance. So for that, I am very grateful to have met him. I really wish him well, and I will not hesitate to recommend him to anyone who need his service. Thank you.